Well, hey you guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. Today I'm going to show you how I make a turkey stock, and I got this 15-pound turkey just for making the stock and canning the turkey that's going to be on here. And then this is our leftover carcass and a little bit of turkey from the turkey that we had from Thanksgiving. So I am going to start cutting this turkey. I'm not going to show the whole thing because it's kind of tedious. And then I'm going to show you what I put in the stock pot to get it going. It's going to be a really short video. This is really easy stock. You can can it. I will show you the canning process in a separate video after I make the stock. Take you along every step of the way. Super easy. Okay, you guys, so I have the carcass of the first turkey and the carcass of the uncooked turkey. So this one is the cooked turkey that we had the other day. This one is the uncooked turkey that I just showed you guys. I've got some cooked wings that we never ate, so that's going to go in here. This right here is all of the meat. So I'm going to get as much meat as I can off of all of this. The giblets, the neck, this is all going in. And then I have some celery, carrots, and onions. Okay, so I just cut myself, so I'm going to do this one-handed. So I have 2 pounds of carrots. I'm just going to break these and put these right in the pot. And then right here I have some celery scraps that are going to go in there, and then I'm going to cut an onion. Actually, I'm going to have my husband cut an onion. He just went to get me some water. So, yeah, I just sliced my finger. Not a good thing. I mean, the minute he walked out of the door and I sliced my finger. So let's show you the turkey carcasses. Pretty big pot. Again, this is all stock. It is 4:16 in the afternoon. This is going to cook probably until about maybe 1 o'clock tomorrow, and then I will show you guys how to can it up in a separate video. But let's put all of the celery in here and the carrots, and you'll see how big this is. Now this is a 20-quart pot, so I'm making a lot of turkey stock, you guys. Okay, so right here is what we got out of the turkey, and I've decided I think I'm just going to do a turkey soup starter out of this, and then any leftover stock I'm just going to do as a stock. So we did some onions. I added a couple of heaping tablespoons of garlic, onions in there. Let me show you what we did. This is our stock pot right here, and all we did was add some water to cover the pot. And I'm going to add some peppercorns to it, and I've just got some rainbow peppercorns. Just going to add a bunch of those to give it flavor, and then I'm going to mix it all together. This way it has a nice flavor in it. And that's it. I'm not going to add salt or pepper or anything like that until I'm ready to use it. So we've got carrots, onions, celery, and the turkey carcass and the turkey wings. Both the cooked turkey wings and the raw turkey wings are in there. And all I'm going to do, it's on a simmer. I'm going to use it. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it and simmer it overnight, and it'll simmer about probably 14 to 16 hours, and then I will take you guys along to see what I do for the turkey starter, and then I will absolutely can some turkey stock along with it. Thank you for watching, and the word of the day today is turkey stock. Thanks, and comment the word of the day below. Sorry, I'm so frazzled, you guys. Got my finger bandaged by my husband, and stopped bleeding finally, so we're good. Just hurts. So comment the word of the day to be entered into my giveaway. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're not already subscribed. Like the video, and that's it. I will see you guys soon.